Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma aftah alayna hikmataka wa ansur alayna rahmataka ya dzal jalali wal ikram. Allahumma yas'aluka ilman nafi'an wa 'amalan mutaqabbalan wa rizqan tayyiban. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sam'i, Allahumma afini fi basari. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, now yesterday we were discussing about data compression, its algorithm, and then its different types, and what is the purpose of compressing the data. We have discussed thoroughly what is data. Data is your images, your videos, text files, PPT files, sound files, everything you can save on your mobile phone or even your laptop. That is called data. And compression means to reduce the file size. Why do we reduce the file size? The reasons are because we want to create space, we want to save our bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of maximum rate of transfer of data across the network. For example, you want, and it is made in bit per second. You want to upload a file, for example 2 GB. It will take, let's say, less than 30 seconds. So the rate at which it transfers the data, that is called bandwidth. And then the same way you can download speed matters as well. Upload and download speed, that how much time it will take to upload the data and download your data. Data means your files that you saved are keep on your OneDrive cloud storage. Look here. So here is cloud storage, a remote storage. With the help of your email and password, you are able to access this data. So look here, I have already uploaded some information over here. Let's say I want to download this file. So when I will click on download, you will see that its bandwidth and speed will appear over here. So let me show you that. I'm going to download this file. So let's say save as. Let's say now I want to save as a Word document or PDF. Let's say Word document. So now download a copy. When you click here, you will see it will start downloading over here, and it will give you the speed as well. I was talking about this one. Data is your file, images, videos, blah blah blah. And then compression is what to compress or reduce the file size. And it is important. Why it is important? So that we can save the storage space on our hard drive. So I was giving you this example, so I'm going to give you again. Now look here, I'm going to show you my system's storage space. Look here, this one and this one. Red sign means this red bar shows that my memory is almost, and it's about to overflow. It's already full, only 3 MB is left, and total space was 49.9 GB. And now here I have 128 GB. GB means gigabyte. This is the memory unit, and byte, B, capital B, represent that it is the smallest unit of memory. And 1 byte we know that is equal to 8 bits, and in 1 byte we are having 2 nibbles. And what is a nibble? Nibble is what? Let's say, let me remove this. Okay, what is nibble? Okay, 8 bits. The same way, 1 byte occupy how many nibbles? 1 is equal to, let's say, 2 nibbles, and 1 nibble is equal to one nibble is equal to 4 bits. And what is a bit? Bit is equal to, let's say, 0 represent bit, or 1 is a bit, and 1 means on state and 0 means off state. That's it. Okay, now we reduce the file. I've given you this example over here. Okay, why we will compress the file so that we can create a space on our hard disk to store more files. One way is this. The another way is to delete unnecessary files from your hard drive as HDD or SSD to save your space. Okay, that's it. So rest is written over here. To save storage space on a device such as hard disk or solid state drive, to reduce the time taken to stream our music or video files. For example, you want to stream a cricket match, then you have to save the space as well, or save the bandwidth as well. So that's why we reduce the file size and data. Okay, then reduce the time taken to upload and download the files. So what if I want to download a file? Let me download a heavy file over here. Let's say this one, teacher guide. I'm going to show you the speed of this. Hold on. And then there is a download option, top left corner. Just click on that and you will see its speed will appear over here. That's called bandwidth. Downloaded successfully, 815 KB byte. Okay, now to download and upload the bandwidth. Okay, the download and upload process up to network bandwidth. This is the maximum rate of transfer of data across the network. Network is what? Combination of different computers are known as, they form a network. And why we form a network? Because for shared different files, folders, or hardware resources. That's why we use network. And then measured in bits per second our data, and it's the transfer rate measures in bits per second. This occurs whenever a file is downloaded, or for example from a server. Our compressed file contain fewer bits of data. Compressed file always contain the fewer bits of data than uncompressed files, therefore uses less bandwidth, which result in the faster data transfer rate. That's why I have uploaded a file over here, and it will take less time to download that specific file that I have just downloaded over here. This one. It will take less time to download. Okay, now reduce file size also reduce the cost. For example, when using cloud storage, the cost is based on the size of the file stored. Also, internet service provider (ISP). These are the companies, those who are responsible for providing you internet connection, like Ufone, like PTCL, like Vared, like Ocean. Like these are different private companies. Zong, Jazz. Okay, they provide you internet service. They are internet service providers, ISPs, and they may charge you based on the amount of data downloaded. For example, we have to purchase different packages, monthly packages, weekly packages, prepaid and postpaid. On using mobile phone, we use prepaid mostly. For example, I want to get a Ufone package for my monthly package called